Jeff Killian for VTCtraders.com. The time is now 8:25 a.m. There's a possibility we have a setup in play for a second leg to the downside on the trade did not follow through that we had anticipated on the last session that was recorded just minutes ago. Now this is exciting because if this trade follows through, there's an opportunity to get down all the way down to a daily level at 21.93.25 based on the previous open or closing price from the past. That is not 21.93 where there is another a tick below, but 21.93 and 25. The setup will have to come to us. It will have to prove to us that it's worth our time, our money, our emotional property here. And now the setup is a little mixed on the 15s and the 5s, so we're going to have to pause this recording and look to the in-the-moment indicators to see how tick by tick this trade, again, either will or will not come to us. Right now the volume is fairly mixed here between 817 and 826. These are all based on hard numbers, traded long and short, a custom indicator created by us here. So we're looking for the short right below 21.9650 at 21.96 and 25. Time is 9:09 a.m. Eastern. 11/27/2016. Jeff Killian for VTC Traders. Earlier we had a break-even trade, took place around this area right here. It moved back up to here. Levels have been reset. New 15-minute levels in red. Yesterday's high right here, 21.9650. Looking for now the long move. 15 and the 5-minute indicators, especially money flow index and CMF, are turned back around to the upside. Fairly well positioned. Custom VTC VMA divergence, positive divergence on the MACD and 15-minute CMF. Therefore, prices have a shot of getting all the way back up to the 2225 level. The volume that came in here is accumulation. There was over 1,000, probably one single institution traded about 1,100 contracts long at this point right here, which is what got us through the existing 21.98.25 15-minute level. Dependent upon concurrent volume that may come in, such as this, and this, which is slightly stacked to the upside, prices may continue to move to the upside. Again, looking for the give back after the long down move up to 2225. ES near contract month 12, 2016. Let's look for the additional volume to come in. As in here, now 363 just traded long and trading 8 long to get back to that point. There is still enough time for this to take place before the market opens, so 9:12 a.m. this could happen, and we look for the upside move again to the 2225 in red. We're going to cut the tape and look for the follow through shortly on. So to continue on, the time is now 9:17 a.m. 11/22/2016. Trading ES near contract month 12/16. You're looking at a 1-minute chart. The volume that came in here was clearly accumulation. So at this point, if the opportunity within the market gives us enough on additional buy contracts confirmed coming in, as just came in here right now for 435. That's amazing. Just as I was commenting on that, it just came in, that we may have an opportunity to get all the way back up to that 15-minute level before market opening. Again, 9:17 a.m. on 11/22/2016. Flying level 2 here real quick. Orders are fairly well evenly stacked. We're looking at 67.73 now over 63.73 and back and forth. 10 levels above and below. Standout is at about 2175 for 848 contracts looking to be traded long. Again, above the market. 5-minute charts are strong to the upside on MFI. CMF is now down, so mixed bag on that. Again, looking for the move to the upside to continue up until market opens. We'll cut the tape to reduce the hold time once again. 9:23 a.m. Eastern, 11/22/2016. Prices moving up as we had been looking for. MTM mark to the market 21.99 and 25. Looking to get back up to the 15-minute level 2225 before the market opens on a give back. Traded long here close to 250 before that. Approximately 40 seconds, another 9:21:20 at 9:21 and 56, another 211. This combined volume is what's pushing the prices up as we speak. According to another proprietary indicator that we're looking at right now that you are not seeing, we clearly have more contracts that continue to be bought versus sold. MFI continues to be straight up on 5-minute. 15s are good. Everything's still good to hold. Looking for the blow off to the upside. I'm looking to be at about 2200. Here. ES near contract month, again 12/16. E-mini futures, for those of you who are new to this market, more than enough liquidity to make more than enough money on most watches. Cut the recording to reduce the hold time again. Time is 9:25 a.m. Okay, the time is now 9:28 a.m. Eastern Standard, and as we had anticipated, the prices had the possibility of moving back up to the 2225 level. Most of the time, prices will get either to or more than likely a tick below the anticipated price profit target level. The volume that's come in is substantial here and now, but where we're so close to market opening, the risk becomes inherently so much greater because of the volatility that will occur in just another minute's time. So it's better to lock in what we were sure of versus risking market opening, because the key to longevity is to mitigate risk, and you live to trade another day with the capital that you have protected and subsequently accumulated. Here we are. This was the break-even trade we talked about earlier, the orders. Sell, the buy, and the sell here coming in. Timestamps here. Contracts 8, so forth and so on. $300 locked in at a very short hold time, trading 8 contracts this morning. This we were sure of. This can be done a minimum of 2 times a day, if not 3. And when the market is trading after the opening or the afternoon session, we would obviously increase the contract sizing until the profits have nowhere to go but up. This is the bare minimum based on a give back. The larger, higher probability trades that are available almost on a daily basis will give us more than enough to be able to outperform the market by a wide margin. Jeff Killian for VTCtraders.com for more information on our educational services, specifically executive mentorship programs. To work exclusively with us, you can contact us through the contact form on the website itself. My best to all of you on today's trading.